I like to discuss how to update specifically the CMS content. CMS section or content uh, is just a component inside the routes. So let me just dive in quickly to the routes, or let me just search the sample page. I think that's the theme page, or I can just use the instance of this theme. Yeah, I have this path. You can also reformat the JSON. And I'm gonna search. This is the exact format of this JSON setting. So I'd like to discuss the specific CMS component. The name of this, it depends on the design, and in this case, since we're using the producer design, so it has a CMS section name. Later we'll be discussing the different version of this, but by default we can just use the CMS section. So we can use the CMS section to kind of update the content of this page. So this is the exact page by now. So yeah, we need to visit this one, and this is the exact page. And we want to use the our theme luxury presence. I'll just use this and try to remove this, and I've copied that, by the way, domain. Let me just do it for the purpose of this demonstration. And this, and we're gonna sign into the dashboard. So let me use the Keystone. This is the version 1 of our platform. So, but they are not actually connected. At some point, they're connected. Let me just explain a bit. So we're in the Keystone admin panel, specifically this client, the client's domain. This is just a mock-up domain, of course, and we can just go to the pages. By the way, pages here, the pages here are not. When you save the pages here, it will not automatically update the page here. So we will just do it manually. So we will use this keystone to kind of save the version of that page. Then we'll copy the HTML file and update the CMS section. So what do I mean by that? So let me just begin by creating a page. Of course, we need to create a page. So we can create a page by this. I can just use, for the purpose of this demonstration, I'll just use the theme page or the name theme to make it consistent. I don't want to use the global image and so on. I just need the content. So I can just use, maybe, can I just say I need a 3-column layout, and we'll just use that as a margin, and we'll try to maybe click on that and just copy, or maybe let me just update a file, or let me just copy a text. Let me copy a text, dummy text, the ever popular dummy text generator, the low rem ipsum. So let me just get this context, this text. Of course, you can do whatever you want here. So I'd like to just make it very, very simple. Like to just paste it, or you can just paste that as the plain text to kind of remove all the styling from the source. So if we're done with this, we know that when we are using Keystone, so that we can preserve the version of this, we can just hit this save button, and it has persisted in the database, but it's not entirely. But we can save it using the save button. So we have now the HTML version of this. Of course, we can see the source code, and yeah, we cannot directly paste this, but let me see what the purpose of this demonstration. Um, Try to paste that. Of course, if you will uh, the editor or the ACE editor will yell at you because it's the wrong format. We're pasting the wrong. You're using the wrong format. So we have a wonderful tool created by the previous colleague, our colleague from uh, LP colleague. So we can just paste this. We're gonna escape the special characters, like what you can see. It has inserted the backslash. So we can copy the output, and we go to the JSON setting directly and paste. Yeah, that's it. And we'll try to save. And we should go to this, and we can see the entire text updated. That's how we can update the CMS section. So we're done updating this, and we'll be proceeding to the faster updating of images in using the JSON setter. So let me know if you have a question about this, and I'll be happy to dive in a deeper discussion about your specific question. Thank you.